Have you heard the news? Have you seen our Pro Cheer lineup? If not, listen up. I'm Janine Samuels, CEO and President of Sideline Prep and an 11-year alumni of the Pro Cheer industry. And I have some exciting news to share with you. Get this, our annual Pro Cheer workshop in January is a huge hit every year. We've been going strong since 2013, and every year in our feedback survey, attendees ask us for an encore in the summer. Well, we've heard you and we've listened. We're heating things up with Sideline Prep's Summer Pro Cheer Workshop. If you can't make it to DC in January, this is your opportunity to learn from the pros so you can go pro. Just check out our lineup. You'll have the opportunity to learn from and dance with Pro Cheer coaches, directors, and choreographers. They will teach you real Pro Cheer choreography, the same routines you would learn at prep classes and auditions or see the team dance on game day. And at the end of each class, we're opening it up for a Q&A. So you'll have the opportunity to ask those burning questions and get real answers from the coaches and directors themselves. Plus, you'll also receive video replays of all the classes and all the Q&A sessions. All this and more is happening soon, so click for all the details. It's time. Let's get after it and dance.